Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to FBK Racing for day 2 of our trip down to Florida. It was a pretty late one last night. We rolled in about 1:30. I edited the video and got it up for you guys to keep track of where we're at, what we're doing. So that will continue throughout the week, hopefully, as long as everything goes well. And we should be in Florida today, as long as everything goes as planned. We don't have any problems. Cameron's truck did have a check engine light on it last night, so we're checking on that, so you know what that's all about. Hopefully should be all right. Didn't go into any power save mode or anything, so we're gonna hit the road, fill up with some gas, and down on the road we go. Oh, another couple hours into our trip. Stop to stretch legs, go to the bathroom, check everything, make sure the tire's still good, make sure nothing's overheating. We're looking pretty good so far. It's been a good trip. Got another, I think, 10 hours or so. So, stay tuned for the next update. And now you're gonna be shy?
They're nonsense.
Afternoon, everybody. Well, you probably don't know what time it is right now, but anyways, we are
South of the border.
at Pedro's campground right now because I need some fuel and I had to go to the bathroom, and so did Dad, so I about peed on his leg. But anyways, we peed behind a building over there. Turns out the building we peed behind was the bathroom. But anyways, they have a gigantic spark plug here, which is pretty awesome. So we're going to
It looks like everybody put stickers on it, so we said, hey, we're putting an FBK sticker on it.
if I knew how to climb, I would go to the top, but I figured I'd probably bust my ass when I try to go to the top.
So, I'll get you up there. Me and Larry will get you up there.
Here, hold this camera.
Stand on this.
Here, what?
I'm not getting on that.
Maybe not.
Oh, his mom went, man. Where are we going?
Can you reach up here? No?
Up where? Up there?
Yeah, how high can you get up there?
Not that high.
What's the worst that can happen?
They're right there.
Nobody will see it, Larry. There you go. FBK Racing. And we're at a gas station here that doesn't have diesel, so now we're gonna go to.
Where you going?
So we just came up with a little promotion because while we were on our way to the Freedom Factory, we were in
North Carolina, and we had written on the side of our big trailer, follow us on FBK Racing on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and whatnot. And this morning, somebody by the name of the Concrete Cowboy, Instagram Death to Stone, he tagged us in a little post on his Instagram story, told us that we made his morning commute to work. So what we're gonna do is down at the Freedom Factory, if you see us on the road, take a picture of us or whatever, or come up to us because you see this video, well, we're gonna throw a little package together, some decals and stickers, t-shirt, Fat Boys Custom t-shirt, and also we're gonna throw in some koozies and other memorabilia if we can come up with some other stuff. Do up some fist bumps and high fives. So basically the first person that says they've seen this post on Facebook or any of our other social medias will get the package. So at the Freedom Factory. So come up and see Cameron or myself, and we'll go from there. Oh, we had our first little issue. We hit a huge pothole here in South Carolina, and then it looks like maybe a bent axle. I don't know. We can't tell.
Awesome.
It just doesn't look right. I don't know if you guys can see. The upper part of the tire is just sticking in. What about like the hub? Can you see the hub?
Well, theoretically,
There's nothing we're gonna do with it about it right now
if
anyway.
this tire's this way, the other one should be the other way.
That side looks okay.
So that's why I was saying the hub. If it was just the hub.
Let's jack it up. Get the hub loose.
Alright.
You want to do it in the parking lot instead of here?
I'll do it right here.
Does it bend the rim? Something don't look right, does it?
No, the top part of the tire is stuck under, you know. It's like the race truck. It's got some camber going to it.
Don't judge us. We know what we're doing. No, we don't.
It's gonna just slide right over that metal thing.
Good? Definitely back farther. This went up, it hit the frame, which it did, here and there, and we pushed this side up.
Yeah, guys, we just stopped to kind of take a bathroom break, and realized never really got underneath and showed you what we found with the trailer. Looks like the whole trailer bent. So let me climb under and see if we can show you. I don't know if you can see that bar right there just in front of the axle. Looks like it's got a little rot there and a bent. Doesn't really seem to be wearing the tire much, so I think we're going to be all right to make it down there. See if we can fix it up when we're down there. All right, guys, we made it. We're in Bradenton. We're about say about 40 minutes from the track. We stopped, found a hotel. Getting a little late, so we wanted to get some shut-eye. Tomorrow we have to meet one of Cletus's guys at the Freedom Factory at 10 o'clock. It's going to let us in and be able to drop our trailers off, because the house that we have rented for the remainder of the week, the pictures, the driveway doesn't look big enough to handle the big trailer that we got and the other trailer. So we talked to them over there, see if we could drop the trailers off, and we got the okay to drop the trailer off. So we're gonna head over there around 10 o'clock, drop the trailers off, maybe stick around or go get some breakfast. We're gonna kind of play that by ear. We do have a practice session at I believe 5 o'clock tomorrow evening, so keep an eye out for that. First time Cameron will be hitting the track with our Ranger to get prepared for the Ranger Danger. So keep your eyes open for that. Just want to thank everybody that has subscribed. These last few days, the channel has kind of grown pretty good. We've almost doubled in a couple days. Let's keep it up. Let's keep subscribing. Let's keep sharing. We need to build this up so we can keep doing things like this. This is definitely not a cheap trip, but it's going to bring some great content. Hope you guys appreciate it, and let us know what you think.